I'll be teaching you how to make vanilla macarons. To do this, you will need egg whites, salt, cream of tartar, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, flour, powdered sugar, butter, and milk. First, start with preheating your oven to 300. Now begin to combine the ingredients. Beat 4 room temperature egg whites, and while it is beating, add a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then add 1/2 cup granulated sugar and continue mixing until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, combine sifted 1½ cups flour and sifted 2½ cups powdered sugar. Now fold together the flour mixture and the eggs until combined. Put the dough on a pan and let sit for around 30 minutes until they harden a bit. Then put it in the oven. Leave it in the oven until the bottoms begin to look golden, or about 16 to 18 minutes. And while it is baking, make the frosting. Cream 1/4 cup unsalted butter and mix together 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon milk, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Once the macarons are done and cool, take them off the pan and assemble. Enjoy!